I think you should, I think that part fix first and then it comes in with that big part to attach. Guys, so we set up her bassinet finally. So this is it. I'll put a link down below if anyone interested. I got it on Amazon. The only thing I don't like about this is that the mattress is really thin. And I wish it was a little thicker, but I think when I put the mattress cover on it, it will be softer because I bought some of those. And then here you can always zip off here and open here so you can have more access to her. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of me being pregnant and preparing for baby girl. Oh my god, can you guys see my face? How bad it is. Oh my god. All those people telling me that I'm glowing. Well, this is it. This is my new skin. This is what baby girl did to me. She took my clean, pretty skin and do whatever with it. So yeah, we're here fixing up our stuff. I literally have a week and a half to go. A week and a half, right? 2 weeks? Yeah, a week and a half. Huh? A week and a half to go until she's here. So we're preparing everything, getting stuff ready. And I'm just here with her. This is her. Oh my god, my belly looks so long. So this is her. She's here. And I'm just uploading a video, and Dada is fixing up all her stuff. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys been enjoying these episodes so far, and yeah, I can't wait to meet her. We can't wait to meet her. And I'm sure you guys can't wait to meet her too. So sooner or later she's gonna be here pretty soon, right mama? You're gonna be here soon? Yes. I'm over here uploading a video, and Dada is putting up her swing. How you doing over there, Dada? So this is like all these parts, poor thing. I think that part fix first and then it comes in with that big part to attach. I hope you guys already watched this video, the Amazon baby haul. But anyways, I'm gonna finish doing what I'm doing. So let me show you guys what I'm doing actually. So I am uploading this video. Where is it? I'm uploading this video, so I'm putting the links of all the products that's in this vlog, so you guys can have access to them. Yeah, completely focused. Look at that. You're supposed to be focused. Oh god, this one comes with a lot of different parts, so it's like, let's figure this out. And I'm no help. This is me, no help. Oh my god, the house is a mess. So this is our swing and plus rocker. It's supposed to vibrate, it's supposed to swing, and it's supposed to rock, I think. And it's actually a 2-in-1. So guys, I just uploaded I don't know if have you guys seen these videos yet. You guys really need to check out episode 1, episode 2 of preparing for the baby. I just upload episode 3, but it's not public as yet, but it's going to be public at 6 o'clock. So make sure you guys are watching the videos and do not skip the ads. Watch the ads. So yeah, let me see if I can show you guys like what it will be looking like. Boom, 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 boom. So it's supposed to go. So content. Okay, so this is it. I just uploaded this video. This is episode 3 of preparing for Missy. So it's gonna go up by 6 o'clock. Guys, so we finished her swing. Finally, this thing was a headache. Well, we were doing it wrong at first. I hope she likes it.